Hi there, I hope you're doing great. My name is DJ Ksam and thank you so much for coming to this video. Now in this one here, just like the title of the video says, we're going to take a look at how we can get drums without having to break our wallets. Whether you're a remix DJ, a live performer, or even a music producer, you pretty much want something for free but at a very good quality. And if this is the kind of video you've been looking for, then stick around to the end of the video. Don't skip a bit of it because you're going to need every information right here. So let's get started. Now I'm going to start by closing this tab here. Window. And I'm going to maximize my browser. So this is Brave. You can pretty much use any browser. Now we are going to use AI to generate drums for us. And I want you to take a look at how this sounds. I believe you've heard about this before, but if you haven't yet, then let's get right into it. So I want you to search for either Drum GPT or just Fadr, F-A-D-R. And then let's go. Fadr.com. We are already under Drum GPT. Anyway, Fadr has a lot to offer. When you come to create here, you even have like stems, you do remixes, and you can do live DJ performances and stuff. But then we are talking about drums. So just like ChatGPT, we have Drum GPT. Now we have two options. We have a paid option, which is a plugin, but you can have a free option, which is online. That's going to work through your browser. So another thing you need to do anyway after coming to this is you're going to need to sign in using your email. I already have myself logged in as Ksam Dr. Scratch, and that is it for now. So after logging in, this is what you're gonna see here. You're going to have this box where you are supposed to describe the kind of drum you want, and then you're also going to have ideas of the kinds of drums that you can generate depending on the feel, the genre of the music, the kind. Actually, you have to know in mind what kind of drums you want. So you have to describe it into details for Drum GPT to get it right. And then the drums are going to be loaded down here. You also have two modes. You have the controller mode, which looks like a pad. And then you have a keyboard mode right here down, which looks like a real keyboard. Now, the nice thing about it is you are going to have the drums loaded here. This is going to be a full kit of drums, like a whole kit of drums, including snares, open hat, a crash, tom, and a kick and stuff like that. So let's come right in and do something. So when I come here, I'm going to say, let's talk about some basic drum. Maybe let's say West African talking drums. Something basic. I don't know so much about drums, but let's do this. It's going to create our drum kit. And as we wait, please take time and then subscribe to my channel. At this point, if you're still watching. Also, leave a like, leave a comment. Tell me where you're watching from. Or if you've already known this before, then tell me something else that you would love to know that relates to this. Also, as we wait, I'm going to take you down. These are some of the drums that I already generated in the past. You can take a look at them. I've taken so much time doing all these. So it took just a few seconds and our drum kit is really fully loaded. So we can take a look, take a listen to them. You might hear some echo coming out from the sound here, but don't mind. That's just coming from my microphone. You're going to try this for yourself and then you're going to feel it. Let's just click on them. I'm going to stop there. When it comes to trying, that was so loud, the crash was long, but then pretty much you can use any key on your keyboard actually to control these drums. Like you can see a W, E, T, Y. You can press those keys on your keyboard like this. Yeah, so you can do that. Just once again, you can change the mode here. And pretty much the best part of this is that you can download this kit straight away and it's very light. Now you can save it somewhere like a zipped file, right? So that is it. Now when you extract that, it's going to be a WAV format audio. Okay, if you just extract that, you're going to see WAV, like you see. So you can load this into your DAW or DAW. You can load it into Virtual DJ and use it straight out of the box. Out of the box, I don't know if that is correct English, you know, but yes, you can just use it like that. You can also add it to favorite and stuff. So maybe let's do one more drum of some kind. Let's do Jamaican dub drum. Okay, something basic. I don't know if I'm correct on the kind of drum I want, but that is what I want, and I hope Drum GPT understands what I mean right here. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. If you're still not into subscribing, please do take time. It's free of charge. It helps support my channel somehow to give you also, like, you know, good content. Yeah, loading your kit. This is actually done. We just wait for seconds. So we have it here. I don't know if it sounds like reggae. Let's do it. Yeah, that one there, that perk one sounds like a reggae thing, you know. That was a Jamaican kind of drum. I'm not going to hesitate to download it. And that was it. So you can also play with these ideas. Lo-fi hop brushed snare. Let's just click on that and it's going to create it one more time. So you can also play around with everything. Be creative. You can go and research for the kinds of drums, the genres of drums that are out there. You have a lot of research to make on this to make sure you feed it with the correct ideas. As we wait again, couple of seconds. I think this is going to depend on your internet speed, but this is not so long of waiting. We have it here. Let's do it. Amazing. Now the most interesting part of this is that I've been using it for days and hours and minutes, and I don't have a limit telling me to subscribe to this like for any amount of money. And this is so incredible. So this is it. You have it. You can have millions of this, I believe. That's why the thumbnail talks about it. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it's helpful. I hope you really like my content. Please do subscribe for another coming content. I mean, future content, right? Click the small notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment. Tell me who you are. And then see you in the next one. I love you.